Hi. I'm Droid.
And hi. I'm Apple iPod Touch. And I am way better than Droid.
Droid is better. I can call and text.
Yeah. So can I. For free on an AP called Text Free.
Screw you fucking iPod and Apple company.
Screw you Android. Your batteries smell like bullshit.
Yours smell like green apple.
See, that's a good smell, dickhead. Bullshit smells like shit, dumbass.
Shut your damn mouth.
Shut yours, goddammit. That's the last time I ever hang out with an android. Also, I know your secret, android. You're a gay android. In your face, dumbass.